Imagine a world where artificial intelligence has infiltrated every industry. What does this mean for your job, your career, your future? It may sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it's not. Welcome to the AI revolution, a phenomenon that's transforming the way we live, work, and think. From healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment, artificial intelligence is increasingly becoming a part of our everyday lives. So, what sparked this revolution? Well, it's a combination of factors. Advances in technology, the explosion of data, and improved algorithms have all played their part in driving the rise of AI. However, the most significant influence is the potential AI holds to solve complex problems and streamline operations across various sectors. But let's get one thing straight. The rise of AI isn't just about robots taking over human tasks. Yes, automation is a part of it, but it's more than that. AI is about augmenting human capabilities, making us more efficient, more informed, and better at what we do. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about my job? It's a valid concern. With AI's increasing prevalence in various industries, there's potential for job displacement. Tasks that were once performed by humans are now being automated. But it's not all doom and gloom. With every revolution there's disruption, but there's also opportunity. Just as the Industrial Revolution led to the creation of new job roles, so too will the AI revolution. New industries will emerge, new skills will be required, and new jobs will be created. This is not a time for fear, but rather a time for adaptation and learning. So as we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, one question remains. In the face of AI's rapid advancement, how do we navigate this new job market? Well, that's a journey we're about to embark on together. Stay tuned. The fear of AI taking over jobs is not unfounded. Let's delve into some real-world examples. In recent years, we've seen an increase in automated technologies across various sectors. One prominent example is the manufacturing industry. Factories worldwide have begun to replace human labor with automated machines for tasks such as assembly, packaging, and quality control. This shift has led to a notable decrease in the demand for manual labor, resulting in job displacement. Take, for instance, the auto manufacturing industry. It was once a sector teeming with human activity, with assembly lines filled with workers installing parts and inspecting vehicles. Today, many of these tasks are performed by precise and tireless robotic arms. While these machines increase efficiency and reduce errors, the transition has also led to the loss of jobs for many assembly line workers. Similarly, in the retail sector, AI has been making significant inroads. Self-checkout systems, for example, are becoming increasingly common in supermarkets and stores. While these systems provide convenience for customers and cost savings for businesses, they have also led to fewer opportunities for cashiers and other retail workers. In the food industry, automation has also made its mark. Fast food chains are experimenting with robots that can flip burgers, and pizza-making machines are not far from becoming a common sight. These innovations don't just speed up food preparation, they also reduce the number of humans needed in the kitchen. The rise of AI has also touched the service sector. Customer service roles, for instance, are being replaced by chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered systems can handle hundreds of inquiries simultaneously and are available round the clock, making them a cost-effective alternative to human staff. Now, it's essential to remember that this doesn't mean every job is at risk. For instance, roles that require creativity, critical thinking, or complex decision-making are less likely to be automated. Similarly, jobs that involve a high level of human interaction, such as nursing or teaching, are also less vulnerable. However, the trend is clear. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's likely that we'll continue to see a shift in the labor market. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks or don't require a high level of human interaction are most at risk. It's also worth noting that while AI is causing job displacement, it's also creating new opportunities, but we'll get to that in the next scene. As we can see, AI's impact on the labor market can be significant and disruptive, but it's not all doom and gloom. As we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial that we understand these changes, adapt, and prepare for the future. Stay tuned as we explore the other side of the coin. How AI is also creating jobs and opening up new avenues for employment. Scene script, but it's not all doom and gloom. AI also brings about new job opportunities. While we've spent time discussing the potential for job displacement due to artificial intelligence, there's another side to this coin. AI isn't just a harbinger of job loss, it's also a catalyst for job creation. Consider the rise of new professions like AI ethicists and data scientists. These roles didn't exist a couple of decades ago. Today they're not just relevant, they're essential. Let's take a closer look at these two job roles that have been born out of the AI revolution. AI ethicists are professionals who navigate the ethical minefields that AI can present. They are tasked with ensuring that AI systems are designed and used in a way that respects human rights and values. They grapple with questions like, how do we ensure AI doesn't perpetuate harmful biases? How can we make AI decisions transparent and accountable? These are complex, vital questions that need thoughtful, informed answers. And that's where AI ethicists come in. Then we have data scientists. They are the wizards who can take a mountain of data and transform it into actionable insights. In a world where AI and machine learning models thrive on data, their role is critical. They sift through data, clean it, analyze it, and use it to train AI models. They help businesses make sense of the vast amounts of information they collect and use it to drive strategic decisions. Both of these roles are a direct result of advancements in AI, and they're just the tip of the iceberg. We also see new roles in AI education, AI law, and even AI art and creativity. The creation of these new professions doesn't just mean more jobs, it means more diverse jobs. It means jobs that challenge us, that require us to think deeply and creatively. These are jobs that ask us to grapple with complex ethical questions, to delve into the intricacies of data, to explore the potential and limitations of new technology. These are jobs that push us to learn and grow. In fact, AI doesn't just create jobs. It creates opportunities for personal and professional development. It pushes us to acquire new skills, to learn new ways of thinking, to adapt and evolve. In the end, the AI revolution isn't just about machines and algorithms. It's about people. It's about how we can harness this powerful technology to create meaningful work, to solve complex problems, to learn and grow. So while AI may indeed displace some jobs, it also creates new ones. It brings new challenges, new opportunities, and new avenues for growth. It's a dynamic, evolving field, and those who are willing to learn and adapt will find plenty of opportunities to thrive. Indeed, AI is not just a job taker, but also a job maker. So, how can one prepare for this AI-driven job market? Well, the answer lies in two potent words: upskilling and reskilling. The advent of AI in the job market doesn't necessarily mean the end of jobs for humans, but it does signify a shift in the types of skills that will be in demand. To stay relevant and competitive in such a dynamic environment, continuous learning and adaptation are paramount. Let's start with upskilling. This involves adding new skills or improving your existing ones to meet the demands of the changing job market. For instance, if you're a marketing professional, upskilling might mean learning how to leverage AI tools to analyze customer data and personalize marketing strategies. Or if you're a manufacturing worker, it could involve learning how to operate and troubleshoot AI-powered machinery. On the other hand, reskilling is about learning entirely new skills to transition into a different role or industry. With AI automating certain jobs, some professions may become obsolete. But remember, as some doors close, others open. AI is creating a wealth of new career opportunities in fields like data analysis, machine learning, and AI ethics. Reskilling enables you to seize these opportunities. For instance, a bank teller whose role has been automated might reskill to become a financial data analyst. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? The first step is to gain a foundational understanding of AI and its applications. You don't need to become an AI scientist overnight, but having a basic grasp of AI concepts, its potential, and its limitations can be incredibly beneficial. There are numerous online courses and resources available that cater to different learning levels, from beginners to advanced learners. Next, identify the skills that are in demand in your industry or the industry you aim to transition into. Look out for trends, talk to industry professionals, and consult reliable job market reports. Once you've identified the skills you need, find suitable learning platforms or programs to acquire them. Lastly, remember that soft skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity are just as important. While AI can analyze data and make predictions, it lacks the human touch. It cannot replicate our ability to think outside the box, empathize with others, or make ethical judgments. So, nurturing these skills can give you a competitive edge in the AI-driven job market. In conclusion, preparing for the AI job market isn't about outsmarting or competing against AI. It's about understanding how AI is reshaping our work environment, identifying the skills we need to thrive in it, and taking proactive steps to acquire them. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the person wielding it. In a world where AI is becoming more prevalent, equipping ourselves with the right skills is crucial. The relationship between AI and jobs is not a zero-sum game, it's about adaptation and evolution. Let's delve into the potential future of the job market in this AI-driven era. We are standing at the precipice of a new industrial revolution, where artificial intelligence is the driving force. The future of jobs in this landscape is not a dystopian vision of machines taking over, but rather a vibrant panorama of new possibilities and opportunities. The key to navigating this future is adaptability. Just as the jobs of today would be unrecognizable to the workers of a century ago, the jobs of tomorrow will be shaped by technologies that are in their infancy today. But don't let this daunt you. Remember, every technological revolution brings with it a wave of new professions and industries. For instance, with the advent of the internet, who could have predicted the rise of digital marketing, app development, or even the role of a YouTuber? Similarly, AI is already giving birth to new roles like AI ethicists, data scientists, and AI trainers. In this future, continuous learning will be paramount. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn will be the true currency of the job market. This doesn't necessarily mean acquiring a new degree or certification, but rather fostering a mindset of curiosity and a willingness to learn new skills. Just as the blacksmiths of yesteryears had to adapt to become the mechanics of today, we too will need to evolve and adapt to the changes AI will bring. This might mean learning to work alongside AI, leveraging it to enhance our capabilities, or even creating the AI technologies of tomorrow. In essence, the future of jobs with AI is a future of unprecedented potential. It's a future where our roles are not diminished, but rather enhanced and diversified by artificial intelligence. The narrative isn't about AI taking jobs, but about how we can leverage AI to create new ones, to improve existing ones, and to solve problems we didn't even know we had. As we move forward, the question isn't whether AI will replace jobs, but rather how can we adapt and grow with it. The rise of AI is inevitable, and its impact on the job market is significant. As we journey through the digital revolution, we've explored the profound effect artificial intelligence is having on our world, particularly in relation to our livelihoods. It's becoming increasingly clear that we're not just spectators to this transformation, but active participants in a rapidly evolving job market. We've seen how AI, in all its forms, is displacing jobs, particularly those that are routine and predictable. From assembly lines to customer service, AI has the potential to automate tasks, leading to fewer roles for humans in these areas. But it's not all doom and gloom. The story doesn't end with job displacement. Artificial intelligence is also a significant job creator. As this technology develops, new roles are emerging that we couldn't have predicted a decade ago. Data scientists, AI ethicists, and robotics engineers are just a few examples of the novel professions that AI has brought to the fore. These are roles that combine technology, creativity, and human insight, roles that are uniquely suited to us, the ingenious human species. This brings us to the importance of upskilling. As we've discussed, preparing for the AI job market means continually learning and adapting. Whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, upskilling can future-proof your career, allowing you to stay relevant and competitive in an AI-driven world. Looking ahead, the future of the job market is dynamic and exciting. It's a future where AI and humans work together, complementing each other's strengths. It's a future where our roles evolve, pushing us to expand our skill sets and grow. It's a future where the boundaries of what we can achieve are constantly being redefined. So as we stand on the brink of this brave new world, let's not shrink back in fear. Instead, let's seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Let's be curious, let's be adaptable, and let's be ready to learn. As we navigate this AI-driven world, remember that the key to success lies not in resisting change, but in embracing and adapting to it.